What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step in a tutorial form how to cut the back of your head. I know for you guys, the big problem I see it all in the YouTube comments all the time, how to cut the back of your head, seeing the back of your head, how do you do it, how do you coordinate yourself, what are you looking at, what are you trying to do to cut the back of your head, because doing the sides is a whole lot easier. So hopefully in today's video I can show you guys in a lot more detail how to cut the back of your head, and I just want to go over a few simple steps to really make it clear for you guys so you guys can do it at home and save yourself a lot of money by cutting your own hair. So let's just jump right into it.
Do not go gentle into that good night.
So the first thing that we want to accomplish when it comes to cutting the back of our hair is making sure that we have the proper mirror setup. And so what I've got here is a roughly 4 foot by 1 foot long mirror. Okay, you can see it just like this. From Walmart, only costs $7. And again, it only costs $7 from Walmart. So this mirror, and what you want to do is angle it on the wall right here, 45 degrees roughly, facing toward the main bathroom mirror. And once you have this, you're pretty much done for your entire mirror setup. So all you have to do now is when you're looking at this one, you see the left side of your head. When you're looking at this mirror, you see the entire right side of your head, and then you can also see the back right here, and then for this side, the back right in here. So you can pretty much see your entire head with just this simple $7 mirror setup. So pretty much once you've accomplished having a really good mirror setup, you're pretty much like 80% done the battle. So no handheld mirrors. I know a lot of people out there only have a handheld mirror, but I'm telling you, for a couple of dollars, you can get this really nice mirror from Walmart for only $7 and use this as your main mirror to cut your own hair. So what I'm gonna do for this self haircut is pretty much the typical haircut. I like to give myself, I would say more so like a low to mid fade. I also like to leave a lot of the hair by my part line right in here alone on both sides to give it that nice definition and that natural look. So throughout this self haircut, I'm just gonna show you guys little snippets of me doing the back of my head, so that way you can get an idea of how to fade and connect the sides to the back of the head, as well as understand how to position your body, your arms and so forth, and your hands on the clippers, so you get a better idea of how to do the back of your head so you're not bending in weird ways without actually having the proper technique to do so. Notice how I'm looking directly into this mirror right here at the 45-degree angle, and then it's hitting this mirror and then hitting me right on the side of the head and then the back of the head as well. I can see everything from this mirror alone. So now you can see I just finished doing the right side of my head, and then pretty much majority of the back of my head is complete, all by just looking at this single mirror right here. And then again, it connects with the main mirror, and then it shoots onto the right side of my head, and then pretty much most of the back of my head as well. So for the most part, on the right side of your head, you're gonna wanna hold your clipper kind of like a pencil like this, especially when you're doing the back of your head. Notice how it looks like I'm gonna start writing an essay using the clipper as my pencil or a pen. This is kind of the hand technique that you wanna have when you're cutting your hair on the back of your head. And so when you go ahead and do the left side of your head now, you want to hold it the exact same way as you would for either of the sides. Only this time you're going to be wrapping your arm completely around your head. It will be a little bit awkward, but this is when you have to have some really good wrist and hand control. Just so you know that you're not bending the clipper at weird angles, and you want to make sure that you're going really slowly, really steady, and having this clipper at a 90-degree angle as you're going up your head. So now that I've just finished the left side of my head, let me show you guys a quick 360 so you can see the results with the first guideline. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect, but you do want to make sure that you have that kind of symmetrical round shape on both sides of your head, feel free to take a picture or record yourself while you're doing it, just to make sure that you have that nice symmetrical shape towards the back of your head and one side isn't higher than the other side. Okay, so now I'm pretty much just gonna speed through the entire haircut and show you guys in a much more fast-paced look on how I cut my hair from the back side instead of the front side. So again, when it comes to the right side of your head, you're gonna hold the clipper like this. When it comes to the back right side, you're gonna hold it like a pencil going up like this. And then the left side of your head, same thing as the right side, only like this. And then you're gonna just bend your arm all the way around to get the back left portion of your head. And then if you need to get any of the hairs right down here towards the back of your neckline, just turn the clippers upside down and push everything all the way down to get all the hairs off.
Into that good night.
So real quick, just one more thing I wanted to share with you guys. Having high quality lighting is also going to be a great way for you to see the back of your head. So if you can, have lights behind you in some way, shape, or form, or if you can as well, get some 4K white LED light bulbs and put them inside your light fixture inside your bathroom. I'm telling you, it makes the world of a difference when it comes to seeing each individual section of your hair on the back of your head and even on the sides of your head.
Instinct.
Alright you guys, so I just finished giving myself a new self haircut, and again I just want to touch up on the points that I went through throughout this video that should help you guys cut the back of your head. So again, you want to make sure that you have a proper mirror setup. Again, it's only $7 from Walmart, this particular mirror, so it's very, very affordable. Again, you also want to get some nice white LED lights. inside the bathroom or wherever you're cutting your hair, it really makes everything super crispy and you can see every fine detail on your head. And then lastly, you want to go ahead and practice all of the hand movements that I showed you guys in today's video, from this one to the pencil one to the right and back, all the way to the left and so forth. You really want to practice your hand to wrist movements and looking at yourself through the mirrors on both sides to really get a hang of how to cut the back of your head.
Do not go gentle into that good night.
Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys learned how to cut the back of your head throughout this video. But if you do want to learn in a lot more detail aside from the back, also the top and so forth when it comes to giving yourself a self haircut and save your time and money by not going to the barbershop, make sure you guys click that first link at the top of the description to check out my self haircut course. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!